trading at 0.36%, up 41 cents. So it's all green across board this morning. Let's bring in Gilbert Jopata, financial market analyst. Hello, Gilbert.
Good morning.
Well, from your voice, I can see that you are excited, about this market right now. It's greedy, a lot of greed in this market. Investors, looking quite comfortable. But I know there is some caution in there, even though we're seeing greed in this market.
Oh yes, this is a very significant resistance zone, and many persons anticipated a market decline. But if this is going to happen, the 25, 26K is very, very important, because if we get there, we are going to form a double bottom, and it could take us to 31, 32K. And if this happens, we are automatically out of the bear market structure. So if we are expecting a market decline, it has to be within this zone, the 24K and maybe 24K 500. So this is where caution needs to really be applied. Those who want to apply good risk management strategy just have this zone to apply such.
And we got that report from Matrix Sports. They're saying U.S. institutions account for 85% of Bitcoin buying this season. What does that tell us?
Okay, the past week has seen Bitcoin gone up by up to 40%, and is still on track to have the best opening of the year since 2013. But the big question has always been, why is this happening? And then the Metric research report came out, which suggests that it can be distinguished when a digital asset is favorable to retail investors or institutional investors. And the report suggests that if an asset trades 24 hours and does well during the U.S. trading hours, it's an indication that U.S. institutions are buying, while if it sees growth during the Asian trading hours, it's an indication that the Asian institutions are buying. So the further gave us metrics that prove that Bitcoin price surge has always happened during the U.S. trading hours, and then more metrics that show that the U.S. has contributed to about 85% of the buying strength. And you also know, when institutions start buying Bitcoin, if history is important, it's just a sign that soon they'll start moving to alt. The report also shows that the U.S. institutions also have interest in LeaderDAO, App, Ethereum, but that of App comes from both the U.S. and Asian institutional investors, concluding that this is a positive sign for Bitcoin and institutional adoption is continuing.
And I'm sure Bitcoin traders looking for as much positive news at this time. Thank you so much, Gilbert Jopata, financial market analyst. Thank you.
Thanks for having me. So
as we see in the market, that's green across board. We see the top gainers. We see Mina token, that's leading the counter there, up 25.35%. So it's looking quite green. January has been an incredible month for risk assets like Bitcoin, and it's ending. So who knows what February has in store for us? And obviously the Russia-Ukraine anniversary, that's coming up next month.
Yes.
So who knows what's going to happen with markets, especially this kind of market.
Well, remember, no market stays up forever. So I mean, when it goes up, then we expect profit taking, and then it goes down again. And
yeah. And obviously the Fed
looks for a new resistance level before it now gets up.
And the Fed meeting 31st to 1st. So that's obviously going to drive sentiment. Exactly. We're looking out for all of that.
Thank you so much.
All right, thank you.
Well, that's it on the program. So we've done 55 minutes. We have 220 more minutes this week. We'll do that tomorrow, another set of 55 minutes. But remember, at 1:30, Willie Bong will be here to give you updates from the world of business. Do join us then. And then tomorrow morning, I'll be back 10 a.m., God's grace, to see you. So go out there, make some money, and I'll see you tomorrow.